Hey guys, today I'm going to make some chili melt sandwiches. So let's get toasting. I'm keeping this really simple because I'm still recovering from the flu and my wife is in the hospital with pneumonia. She's been in there for about 10 days. Almost lost her on Friday, so she is really sick. So I'm kind of preoccupied here. I've already been to the hospital this morning and she was really tired. She wanted to sleep, so she said, why don't you go home and do something and just let me rest. So I said, okay, as long as I know you're okay, I'll go home and make a video or something. So I have a can, just a can of chili here, and just putting some of this on these pieces of white bread. Be nice and easy. Just put the chili on the white bread, and we'll put a couple of slices of this American cheese on top. Okay, we'll get these into the toaster oven, and I think I'll try using the toast setting for that. So it's set to 6. We'll see how that works out. Alright, the timer just went off, so let's see how they look. Looks pretty good to me. These look pretty good for something quick to eat before I head to the hospital here. Just put a little hot sauce on top. This is turkey chili, so it's pretty mild here. So grab a fork, see how they look. Bread seems toasted, kind of crispy. It's better than cooking it in the microwave where it gets all chewy. So I grab a bite here and see how it is. That's not bad for a quick, easy meal. I gotta get going. See you guys.